Oh. Nice.
You might have to take it off and hike a little bit.
Here it is, look!
Alright, who's next?
Hey, look, I already cleared the path for you.
Come on, do it.
Oh.
Sammy?
Wait.
Hold on, let me get out of the way. Deep.
Yeah, the trail's laid for you. Just hit what I did.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, Sammy!
Got it! Oh.
What the? I'm okay.
Oh, man.
I got so much food on my head. Oh.
As much as I hate you, this is a great trip.
I know. Woo. Come on. Come on, Jeff.
Longest run. Now we have to hike this right over there. But it's still worth it.
Oh, it's worth it.
Alright, I don't think he's going to make it. Ow.
Oh! All right, Remy, your turn. Give me the